Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, make sure that you subscribe the channel and watch this entire video. So in this video, I'm going to share about how to create the feast pose. Generally, the beginners and freshers make a lot of mistake while creating the feast pose. If I select this control, now in lot of rigs, you will have directly an option to turn this whole hand into a feast. And in lot of rigs, you will not have that single control and you will have to manually rotate all these small controls and make a feast. If I see this is an angry. So if I see here, if I select this control, which is on the palm, I have certain options here in the attributes editor. Here I have something called curl. Generally, beginners and freshers do this. They do this curl and that's it. They think that the fist is done. But this is not the right way of creating an accurate feast, or you can call it as a better pose of feast. What you need to do more in this is, first thing is you don't have to actually curl it correctly like this completely. So I'll reduce a little bit on this. Second, if I do a feast like this, you have to check how my hand is. If I'm seeing my thumb, it's little bit to the sideways. The thumb is little bit on this way, this. So here it's going inside. So what I need to do is I need to select this. I need to do a thumb curl, which is going to be out here. Again, I need to select this control separately here. I'll rotate this here. But remember, what did I say? This has to be this side. So I'm going to rotate this like this. And we have, so the more closer it is, the more powerful the feast pose would be. And now I'm going to select this and this is it. Now I need to rotate a little bit here. Remember, I told almost this side. If you see your feast, it's almost like that. See this. If I have my feast, if this is how I'm placing my hand, then this is the cross part, which is that side. So if I have to see this, see exactly, you have to look from the same perspective. This. Now is this correct? No, here this part is not that slant. So I need to reduce that here. Or else I can do it from this control. And this. This. So this is a better precision of your feast. Instead of directly rotating it and leaving it as it is. And also you need to do one more thing. You need to select this. And can you see this is uniform? So you need to make a little relaxed first thing. And also reduce the spread. Can you see this? The more closer the feast, the more closer these things are, the better the feast pose will look. So I'm going to reduce the spread and bring them closer, the fingers. And now if I see my feast, it's far better than what it was at the beginning. Now here, there might be a little off, but I think this is fine. I can do a little better on this. Yes, here. This. Can you see now the feeling of a feast from this angle, this perspective? See this. So this is how you create a proper feast wherever you need to actually create, and you can add a little more relax here. Or else I can do manually here. I can put this more down from here. And I can remove this a little bit out. So it's going to be in a progressive thing. Can you see here? Now this is our better version of a feast pose. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video and keep following me for more such amazing tips about animation and more such tutorials of animation. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.